Why athletes make great entrepreneurs, using your competitive spirit to build a business. Competitiveness. It's what fuels athletes to train harder, push limits, and rise above the rest. If you've ever given your all to win a game, improve your performance, or beat your personal best, then you already understand the power of healthy competition. That same drive doesn't disappear when you step off the field. In fact, it becomes one of your most valuable assets in business. In this video, we'll explore how your competitive edge as an athlete can help you excel in entrepreneurship, outpace competitors, and build a thriving business. Athletes are wired to compete, not just to win, but to grow, improve, and push beyond their comfort zone. This mindset is a game changer in business. In the competitive world of entrepreneurship, that same instinct helps you stay sharp. It fuels innovation, keeps you striving for excellence, and motivates you to exceed your goals, not just meet them. Whether you're launching a startup or building a career, your ability to stay resilient under pressure, adapt quickly, and maintain focus on your goals gives you an advantage many people lack. Just like in sport, understanding your opponents is essential in business. You wouldn't go into a match without studying your rival's tactics, strengths, and weaknesses. In the same way, business success demands that you analyze your competitors, who they are, what they offer, and where they fall short. Competitor research helps you spot gaps in the market, identify opportunities others have missed, adjust your strategies to meet changing demands. The better you know your competition, the better positioned you are to outperform them. Reflect on how you used game film or performance data to prepare in sport, and apply that same discipline in business. Winning teams don't try to be good at everything, they focus on what they do best. In business, this is called finding your niche. It means identifying what makes your product or service different, and better, for a specific group of people. When you define your niche, you attract the right audience. You stand out from competitors. You create loyal customers who trust your unique value. Think about how you specialized as an athlete, your role, your strength, your position. That focus is what made you valuable to your team. The same principle applies when carving out your place in the business world. Are you ready to sharpen your business edge? Start with a competitive analysis. Here's how. 1. Identify your competitors. Who offers similar products or services? Who solves the same problem? 2. Evaluate their strengths and weaknesses. Where do they shine? Where do they fall short? 3. Understand their customers. Who are they targeting? What needs are they meeting? 4. Assess their market position. Are they a budget option? A premium brand? A niche specialist? 5. Spot opportunities. What are they missing that you can offer better? This kind of analysis gives you actionable insights that guide smart decisions and help you position your business for long-term success. Markets change fast. Just like a match can shift momentum in seconds, business can change course overnight. Being competitive doesn't just mean being aggressive, it means being agile. It means adapting your strategy in response to new information, shifting trends, or emerging technologies. Athletes are used to this. You've adjusted to weather conditions, injuries, and unexpected plays. Now, apply that agility in business. Stay alert to market trends. Embrace new tools and strategies. Be willing to pivot when needed. Adaptability keeps you ahead of the game. Once you've studied the competition, it's time to take action. Use your insights to differentiate your offering, highlight what you do that no one else does. Refine your strategy, improve on your competitors' strengths and exploit their weaknesses. Target gaps in the market, offer solutions where others fall short. Think of it as your game plan. Use your research to build a winning strategy and execute it with the discipline and focus you learned in sport. Just like athletes use performance data to improve, business owners can use competitor insights to make smarter decisions. Study your market. Track performance. Test what works, and refine what doesn't. Using data helps you optimize your pricing, improve your customer experience, anticipate and prepare for change. It's not about copying others, it's about learning, adjusting, and staying one step ahead. Now's the time to reflect. Ask yourself, what are my top competitive strengths? Am I good at spotting trends, staying focused, or adapting quickly? How can I use these traits to build a stronger business strategy? Understanding your own competitive edge helps you lead with clarity and confidence. Competition doesn't have to be about beating others, it's about challenging yourself to keep improving. The same qualities that made you successful in sport, drive, focus, adaptability, resilience, are the ones that will carry you far in business. Use your competitive mindset not just to win, but to grow, to lead, and to inspire. You've done it before. Now do it again, on a new playing field. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for other materials of the SportEntre project.